Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. I think my son is... No. Okay. Hey, I was fiddling around with the camera settings in the Booyah Mini mic. So I wanted to do a little walk around the car and see how that works out. The star of the show. Here we go. Another star of the show, my kitten. Meowie. Oh, you're so beautiful. Meow. Okay, let's do a little walk around. Another star. Meow. Cat fight. Two males castrated. Brothers in arms. So, little windy. (1997) W126 5 liter V8 on LPG. Did the rims myself, accented that one. I need to touch it up. You hear this? It's going in. Huh? Gangsta music. Camera testing, mic testing. We got now the 4K setting, 24 frames, rock steady. But we changed the codec because of was in the wrong codec, couldn't play it back. T1. So, meow, meow. This one is called Thunder. That one is called Bliksem. Lightning. Thunder and lightning. Donder en bliksem. Hoi. Hey. Wow. And I got some fish and a dog. There he is. My compadre. Hikaru Nakamura. And my fish. My plants. It's coming out nice. I got one here. This I saw today. Look at that, guys. It's coming out of the water. We got something going on there. And some fish. Well, guys, thank you for watching the test. I'm gonna upload it anyways, anyhow. Raw footage.